Bulgaria job visa steps. 2 lakh plus job vacancies nationwide. Bulgaria faces labor shortages in construction, manufacturing, transport, tourism, agriculture, healthcare, hospitality, and IT. Labor market statistics are monitored by the National Statistical Institute of Bulgaria and the Employment Agency. Average salary 1,900 to 2,200 VGN per month. Full-time employees earn competitive wages depending on sector and region. Higher salaries are generally found in Sofia, Plovdiv, Varna, and Burgas. Unemployment rate around 4 to 5%. Bulgaria maintains a relatively stable labor market with increasing demand for both skilled professionals and seasonal workers. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Bulgaria is 40 hours under the National Labor Code. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees are entitled to at least 20 working days of paid annual leave, plus official public holidays. Minimum salary approximate 933 VGN per month. The national minimum wage is regulated by the Bulgarian government and periodically adjusted. Personal income tax 10%. Bulgaria applies a flat 10% personal income tax on employment income, with mandatory social security contributions.